Hi, I'm Roshan, co-founder of Trikl, which is the best AI writer for LinkedIn content creation. And in this video, we will talk about one of the most important questions when you are getting started with your LinkedIn journey is how do I write a content piece? Where should I keep the hook? How should I combine my ideas? And most importantly, from a blank canvas, how should I get to getting hundreds and thousands and potentially even lakhs of likes and comments on LinkedIn? So let's get started. As soon as you log into Trickle, you will get to this screen. And there are a bunch of ways in which you can create a post. One of the most simplest is you have already chosen some focus areas or some of your interest in the onboarding section. You can check that video as well. Now, basis those suggestions, there are a few suggestions right over here. So let's say I want to talk about marketing strategies. I have to do nothing, just click on marketing strategies and click on create post. That's all, and it will generate a post entirely for me. So in this video we'll look at bunch of ways for creating text, images and other things about the post. So awesome, it already has future of marketing strategies. It has different bullet points, it has a call to action, it has hashtags, and look at the language. In a constantly changing digital world, marketing strategies are more important than ever. So like a human, I cannot believe. So just click on finalize and it will help you generate an image for the same as well. So just click on get recommendation from AI, and on the right hand side, some of the images will appear. So, these are some ideas about the prompt. So you don't have to write any prompt when using Trickle. That's for sure. So, I like this one and generate image. It takes a few seconds to create the image. What it is doing is it's looking at your post, it's looking at the prompt and creating an image, AI generated image, which is copyright free, which you can use anywhere, and you are the sole owner of that image. So you can use it anywhere safely, no problems at all. Awesome. See, it has already generated an image. You can finalize and here's your post. You can post it directly, or we'll look at how to post some more ways of content creation. But yeah, so that is the first way of creating content using Trickle. Let's delete this and go to the starting screen. Now, the second way is if you want to create a post from scratch. So there are two ways in which Trickle will ask you for input. One is definitely you can create from your own audio by uploading it or recording it. Let's say I want to talk about in this world of AI, how marketing is changing and how natural language along with general analytics will play a huge and critical role in content creation in future. So I have already recorded. Just click on continue and it will show you a transcript. If you want, you can change that by copy and pasting it in manually add data, but I think it's okay. So now it's asking me for a template. So I can click on open template gallery and there are so many good templates which I can choose from. Now, mind it, we have made it so that it's not like thousands and thousands of templates which you feel confused about, but a very curated set of different types of templates which you might love. So for example, let's say I like this one, I can click, or I like this one. Let's click on this and generate content so that the features are more visible. Awesome. See, in the world of AI, marketing is evolving rapidly. Poor practices are this, best practices are this. Understanding is crucial and hashtags is already there. So simple, sweet, and just like the template. That is from audio. What you can also do is manually add data. So let's say I want to research about something. So I can go to Perplexity AI. Over here, I can ask something, top numerical stats. Awesome. So it already has some data with sources, so I'm safe. and I can just copy this entire thing. So this becomes my input. I can just paste it over here, continue, open a new template. Let's say this time I'll choose this lengthy one. It's a lengthy story. And clear and generate another content piece. Wow. So it converted these 5 boring data points into one story, which was based on this template. So this template has a lesson in management. It's a story of people, and it over here in a busy marketing office, Sarah, the content manager, was on edge. The company was struggling to get B2B content noticed. Using traditional channels wasn't cutting it. Sarah decided to focus on LinkedIn. Blah 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 blah. Now this has converted into a full-fledged story. Wow. I can change it. If let's say I want to combine this into one page, what I can do is I can select this entire thing, click over here and say rephrase. I'll just move it here. Rephrase and shorten to one line, 100 characters, and modify with AI. So I can choose any section of this content pieces, and I can replace these. Okay. And I can change it like my content manager was stressed. So I can do these things very quickly, very easy. That is one. So this is, now let's move on to the other way of creating content, which is not via, let's say we take the same content piece, paste it, continue, but instead of using a template, I want to manually set certain things. Let's say I want to talk about mistakes, and I want to talk about a controversial tone in a medium length, and I want to use my personal voice. So you can select a bunch of options as well to ensure. Awesome. See, the old way versus the new way of LinkedIn marketing. I don't like emojis, so I will remove that. Old way, post generic content. New way. So these are the 3 ways in which you can create content on LinkedIn using Trikl, and 3 very drastic different ways which gives a different flavor to your content. Now we will look at how to generate different types of media images in the subsequent videos. So hope you liked it. This is Roshan. Thank you so much, and try Trikl at trikl.ai.